To receive constant, actionable tips to help you improve your quality of life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Then tap the bell icon to be the first to watch our new videos.
You like having money? I like having money. In fact, all of us wouldn't mind having a little more money because why not? However, not everyone manages to make a sufficient amount of it. You might wonder, what am I doing wrong? This could be the reason behind you being broke or financially unstable. On the other hand, you have people like Jeff Bezos who seem to have it all. Well, one of the biggest differences between you and him is mindset. A rich person thinks differently compared to a poor person. Let's start by the way we spend our day and how a rich and successful person spends his day. First, we have inconsistent sleeping patterns. Sometimes we sleep early and sometimes we sleep late. Sometimes we wake up early and sometimes we wake up late. Our daily routine is not consistent, which heavily impacts our daily productivity. However, a rich person would never spend his day like that. They have a fixed schedule, not only for eating, but for activities like working, exercising, and relaxing. They set goals and agendas for every day and make every possible effort to finish those tasks in the assigned time period. Another thing a rich person does that most of us never think of doing is multiplying money. Say we win a big lottery. Chances are we would probably not think of making that money work, which would help him make money for longer periods of time. We might buy pointless things like expensive cars and clothes to show off a lifestyle made up of money that would only last a short period of time. However, rich people try to bring the most out of every penny they earn. They use their ideas to multiply money by investing in businesses or profitable resources. This is the reason why they manage to make unimaginable amounts of money in such a short period. There is a common perception that whoever gets rich has a lot of connections and luck. If this was being said for a lottery winner or a person who managed to win big in a casino, this would have made sense. However, people like Bill Gates and Jeff Bezos haven't made billions of dollars out of thin air. They have been working hard for decades in order to reach where they are right now. Many rich people started from a tiny setup like their garage, and now they have a large number of offices and headquarters where thousands of employees work for them and their dream. Success never comes by fluke, and even if it does come by fluke, in rare cases, it never lasts long. So here it is, folks. What qualities do you think a rich person would have other than the ones we just mentioned? Comment your answers in the comment section below. If you liked the video, do remember to press the like button. And if you like our content and would like to see more quality content from us, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to never miss updates. Till then, see ya!
If you liked this video, give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it with your friends. For more hacks and advice on living a purposeful life, subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you next time.